Mommy, what happened to your face? No, nothing, Sean. Me and your father have a little argument. Mommy, I don't want to hear that no more. Now you ever make up excuses for him every time he lick you. Sean, it's alright. Love your father, Sean, okay? Mommy, just call you love him, no means you have to sit down and make him a beat you up. You not gonna understand. What you do? You wait for him to kill you? Or that you wait upon? Come I would have killed him, Ross, you know? Sean, don't talk away your father. Oh, we have here, Miss Octavia. Jesus, where you come on and sneak up on me, suffer? Me love how from you move your dash with money. What? Me never know say a feeling. You're funny. So how's everything? Nothing much in much day I live my best life. Oh, you find rich man. Boy, you live your best life. Oh, you mean rich? And him own house? So yeah, like say, me no own my own house. You mean your mother and father house Anthony after your house that? You love going like say you never used to like me off in a school. Really? So we're gonna sit down here and talk about high school, like really? Yeah man, remember when you had me kiss on the play field? Oh please, Anthony, that was just one time. Come on, give me another kiss. Yeah, fool, you know, come on for me now. You know, stop being a little whore. Seriously, Anthony, you don't know any boundaries. Boy, you kiss me too. Are you manipulate me, make me do it? Alright, Octavia, later. Most hormones I do this. Come here for a reason about something more really important. Something more that on my mind for a while now. What you want from me now, Day? I want to marry your daughter. This must be a freaking joke. No, serious thing. I want to marry your daughter. From a long time I want to marry her. You're already having sexual relations with my daughter and you want to marry her. So you're acting surprised, why? You know what things say? Eventually I would want to marry her. What the hell do you? She just turned 18. As you can see, my wife I get older. I'm not even attracted to her anymore. Your daughter is young and fresh, and that more want as a for your wife. Certain things will make you do, you know, but not everything me go agree with. You acting like you really have a choice. May I make a deal? Seem like me I make a deal with the devil. What more you want from me? You can take my wife too? Please, I don't want your wife. I want one girl who is young and pretty, and that's your daughter. Oh, what if me not agree with none of this? Oh, please, let me laugh. You know, if you don't do what me say, I can make everybody know what you do every single Saturday. Remember, say you have all it for lose, you know. All me ask you for is to make me marry your daughter. So what you gonna do? Now my daughter living in your house with you and your wife. No worry about none of them, some of them, man. Make me worry about that. All me want you do, I prepare everything for me. Alright? Alright. I get in touch with the man then. And do everything we ask. See man, was that too much for us, guy? You don't make a big deal outside. Just make sure you take good care of her. She's my only daughter. No worry about that thing, man. I take good care of all of my woman. Don't worry. She in good hands. Won't go have you look for no man, pastor. Pay for this just for you. Just take care of her daily, that's all me ask you for. Yo man, I tell you enough to worry about not man, she good. Oh hi, can I help you with something? I just came by for say hi. My new neighbor. I just did want to introduce myself to you. Alright then. My name Shireen. Nice to meet you, Shireen. My name Rick. Is it at a greenhouse you're moving at? Yeah, man. Just me, myself, and I. Well, you don't have to really worry about nothing. Everybody in this neighborhood is very quiet. Alright, that good for you still. I like my peace and quiet. So you live here by yourself? I live here with my husband and son. Oh, that's sad to hear. I was hoping you were single. We can still talk as friends. That's no problem with me. Alright, that's a good idea. Well, I forget to know you more and get to know all the rest of the people in my community. It was nice meeting you, Shireen. It was nice meeting you too. Yo, what's about Annie there? Yo, no, alright? Oh my god, I'm so sexy. Seriously? Nah, really, seriously? Seriously? Why on is still here? I never tell him to go home. Cause she too, gone like somebody frightened over her father. How was school, Annie? It alright. I got my bed, alright? Alright. Later. Hello? Yeah, you can forward over now. My father asleep.